What really stands out for me the most with Alipbata, though, for me who has no fingernails at all, I don't use my fingernails when I'm playing my guitar. I have to use a pick. But for him, why it looks so effortless is it's like he has 10 picks to use because of his fingernails. And I'm sure there's many guitarists out there that have fingernails that they can use. And I know Fleetwood Mac guitarists were doing that too. But like to actually see it this close and impersonal when he's like strumming so effortlessly, and that's really what's sticking out to me. It's the flawlessness of his execution of this incredibly.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih buat Anda semuanya yang sudah klik video ini. Di kesempatan sore hari ini, Giris akan mengajak Anda kembali melihat ulasan reaksi dari para aktor mancanegara yang dibuat penasaran oleh penampilan Mas Alipbata. Ya, Mas Alipbata selain pandai dan mahir bermain fingerstyle, teknik bermain gitar yang tak semua orang bisa, Mas Alipbata juga pandai bernyanyi. Hal itulah yang membuat para reaktor mancanegara penasaran dan kebingungan. Bermain fingerstyle saja sudah membuat mereka bungkam, apalagi bermain fingerstyle sambil bernyanyi. Seperti apa sih keseruan mereka dalam memberikan tanggapan dan reaksi terhadap permainan Mas Alipbata dalam lagu berikut ini? Mari kita gas saja langsung ke dalam videonya.
You have entered the Chronics rabbit hole. And Alipers, welcome back to the channel. We are back with Alipbata doing a fingerstyle cover of System of a Down's Toxicity. I love this song. I can't wait to see what he does with this. I can't wait to see what he does with the guitar here to try to match everything that System of a Down brings to this song. I don't know what he's going to do for the lyrics here, because I know I've done Sweet Child of Mine and Numb, and he's somehow mixed in the lyrics with the guitar playing itself. If he can somehow get Surge to come out, or I don't know if he's... does this man sing? I don't know. Like, I don't know how he's going to do this. I'm very excited to see.
Oke, kita mulai saja.
Slower tempo.
Sick. So clean.
Ya.
Hey, when he do that, he's bending the neck, the whole neck with all the strings is bending just a little bit to get a little wah wah sound, like bow wah bow wah wah. That's what he's doing when he hold his arm like this and he bends it like this. You know, that's what he's doing right there. I taught him that. I taught my cousin that. Here we go. So that's another move he has. So he up to 9 or 10 different moves he do on one guitar, man. That's incredible, man. Great player, man. He bending it just a little bit.
Oh my God, those harmonics.
Kopi mana kopi. Mantap, mantap. He sings. What the fuck? Let's just stop it right here. You did not tell me he sings. I had no idea he... Like, we've just heard it, but it sounds so fucking good, to be fair. Why doesn't he sing more often? Fucking hell. I had no idea that was coming. Holy smokes. Is he going to sing the whole song? Or is he just going to hum it? How does it work? I don't know. Let's find out. This is impressive, man.
god, goosebumps, y'all.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Frick, yes, he's going to sing, at least hum, like have some harmony with it. Oh my god, yes, this is amazing. I can't believe this guy's technique and how he plays it, such his own style. I don't know if anyone plays the way this guy does. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Just a pastime activity. First toxicity, ever city, ever city. Yeah, what do you want? Decided. Now, somewhere between the secret, silence and sleep. Somewhere between the secret, silence and sleep. Disorder.
Wow, I love how he slowed it down as well. He's made it his own. I'm still getting over the fact he fucking sings. Jesus Christ. Not only is he a fingerstyle magician, he has a voice of wonder as well, mate. This guy keeps getting better and better.
Yeah.
God bless. Thank God he's on this show, man. Thank God he's on the NJ show. Guys, if you're loving what you're seeing, if you're loving what you're hearing, smash the subscribe button. We're on our way to 100k and I want you to be a part of it. Hit the like button. It lights up when you do it. And come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's give it. Let's give everything we've got for this dude. We got to tell everyone. We got to tell all the world about Alipbata right here, right now. Let's do it. Spread the love.
Oh my god! It's like echoing when he does that. I guess he's got that little mic there, and maybe that's where that effect is happening, but what a performance, y'all. God damn, that is incredible. Oof. And the tempo of this song is stripped down and is so much more intimate, and what a way to play this heavy song on the acoustic so brilliantly. As a acoustic lover myself, this guy is like goals for how I would want to perform on the guitar. Oh my gosh.
The best time activity. Cause toxicity.
Surge is such a unique style of singing. He's one of the best singers ever, y'all. Like, it's such a unique voice, and for Alipbata here to encapsulate it the way that he did, and how he brought down his tone to match with like the tempo being dropped. It was so incredible and so smart to do, and it really made this song his own. And at the very beginning, I was, as y'all knew, I was like, is he gonna sing? But then how he started, I didn't think he was actually gonna sing after, and then he brought it in, and oh my god, what a moment.
Ever city, ever city. Yeah, why on the one? How do you want disorder? Now, somewhere between that secret, silent is me.
Alip, mate, if you're watching this, dude, sing more. Play more songs and sing more. And keep playing that guitar, because you are one hell of a superstar. Holy shit.
Somewhere between the secret, silence and sleep. Disorder.
To actually see it this close and impersonal when he's like strumming so effortlessly, and that's really what's sticking out to me. It's the flawlessness of his execution of this incredibly well thought out rendition cover.
Ya, lagi dan lagi Mas Alipbata menunjukkan performa terbaiknya. Ya, video Mas Alipbata tersebut menjadi video dengan penampilan yang sangat langka dari Mas Alipbata ya. Selain bermain fingerstyle dengan ala permainannya, Mas Alipbata dalam lagu tersebut bernyanyi dari awal hingga akhir lagu. Sesuatu yang sangat sulit, tapi terlihat mudah diperankan oleh Mas Alipbata. Lihat bagaimana susahnya bermain fingerstyle, apalagi ini sambil bernyanyi. Ya Allah, itu sesuatu yang sangat mustahil dilakukan oleh beberapa orang. Fingerstyle merupakan teknik bermain gitar yang sangat sulit ya. Mungkin bisa dibilang tersulit dari segala teknik bermain gitar yang lainnya. Fingerstyle merupakan teknik bermain yang begitu sulit dicapai dan digapai oleh beberapa pemain gitar. Bagaimana tanggapan Anda terhadap video yang telah kita saksikan sama-sama barusan? Mereka benar-benar dibuat terkejut ya dengan permainan fingerstyle Mas Alipbata. Mampu membawakan lagu, mampu membawakan segala genre lagu ke dalam versi fingerstyle. Benar-benar mereka dibuat terdiam, mereka dibuat bungkam, mereka dibuat merinding kalau melihat Mas Alipbata bermain fingerstyle dengan 10 jarinya yang sangat aktif. Ya, seorang reaktor berkata, Mas Alipbata seperti memiliki 10 pick di setiap jarinya. Ya, benar sekali. 10 jari Mas Alipbata bekerja dengan sangat baik dan sangat mempesona ya. Memetik dawai gitar dan memainkan instrumen di dalam satu gitarnya. Hal yang sangat luar biasa dan hal yang sangat sulit dimiliki oleh orang-orang. Hal yang sangat sulit dimiliki, hal yang sangat sulit dicapai, hal yang sangat sulit digapai oleh semua orang. Hanya orang-orang tertentu yang mampu sampai di titik seperti Mas Alipbata. Ya, sampai hari ini Mas Alipbata belum. Ya, sampai hari ini Mas Alipbata belum juga upload video terbarunya ya. Tapi ya seperti video-video sebelumnya, kita selalu berdoa untuk kesehatan Mas Alipbata dan kebaikan Mas Alipbata. Semoga Mas Alipbata dalam keadaan baik dan serta dalam lindungan Allah Subhanahu wa taala. Terima kasih buat para reaktor yang telah memberikan apresiasi dan dukungannya terhadap Mas Alipbata. Ya, Mas Alipbata sekali lagi, seorang reaktor berkata, jika dalam semua video Mas Alipbata bermain fingerstyle dan juga sambil bernyanyi, Mas Alipbata emang benar-benar superstar. Ya, hanya satu di dunia ini, cuma Mas Alipbata yang bermain fingerstyle dan juga sambil bernyanyi. Baiklah, sepertinya perjumpaan kita sore hari ini berakhir dulu sampai di sini. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Terima kasih banyak. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jangan lupa subscribe dan share ya. Jangan lupa dibantu subscribe dan share ke jangan lupa subscribe dan dibantu share-nya ya. Terima kasih banyak.